Topaz Video AI versus Neat Video. Which one actually gives better results for cleaning up footage? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down Topaz Video AI and Neat Video, two popular tools people use to reduce noise, upscale, and enhance video, so you can decide which one fits your editing workflow best. Let's start with Topaz Video AI. This one uses real AI to upscale your video, stabilize shaky footage, and even slow it down to 60 FPS or 120 FPS from lower frame rates. It's great if you're working with older or low-res videos and want a modern polish, but it takes time and a decent machine to run smoothly. Now let's talk about Neat Video. Neat Video is more focused on noise reduction, especially for grainy or low-light footage. It doesn't upscale like Topaz, but it does a solid job cleaning up video so it looks professional. Perfect if you're color grading or prepping clips for clients. So which one is better? If you want serious upscaling, frame interpolation, and AI-powered restoration, go with Topaz Video AI. But if you're looking for a tool that cleans up noise fast without slowing down your system, Neat Video might be all you need. Both are awesome, just built for different kinds of fixes. Let me know in the comments which one you use, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.